Thursday morning. Oh, man. Lost part of my roof. The neighbor's trailer is just ripped to shreds. He knocked down his power pole. I don't know where this tree came from. Man, that wind's whipping. Oh, man. Trying to get the door out of my hand. Quit it. Wind. Be nice. Man, it's going to be total devastation in town. I'll be glad when it stops. Well, my Gorilla Tape held for a little while, Tater. Still got one piece up. Gorilla Tape. Heck yeah. Say hello, Socks. Say hello. I know I'm nuts for being out here. Oh, electrical line down. Man. Yeah, his roof is ripped off. I survived Hurricane Laura, August 2020. Get off of my porch. Okay, I got an idiot riding around in his car. My old boss, Sherman. Man, go home. Come on. Sometimes people just don't get it. Oh man, I see trees down over there. Yep. Big tree down.